Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You now tuning in to my YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, and what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Driver Squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video to your friends and family members and let them know that Chase Way is popping. Let's get into today's video. Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase Way back with another video. Today's video, we're going to be discussing some things that's happened in the stock market and some other things that we can get into, looking at our individual portfolio and checking just to see when days are bearish and catch stocks at the bottom line, and to predict when's the next time the stock is going to be bullish. But before we get into that, if you want to know more about the smart money matrix system, or watching $50 grow within growing $50 to $8,140, we will be doing it. We just did it today, Monday at 7 p.m. I will be sending the link out and everything, but I just lost my train of thought. But yeah, all it would take for you just share the message after you watch the Zoom call. Share with your friends and family members that that they can grow $50 and turn to $8,140 as well. Once you pass that message, get them on the Zoom call, and once I show you, or once this information gets shared, you'll be put up on game. But if you're interested in learning about that, hit me up on my Instagram in the description down below, and I'll send you all the extra information as well. But let's put y'all on the screen. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So I gotta turn my brightness up. So something took place today. Well, yeah, it took place today, and this is the funny part. Let's head over to Nokala. It got pretty spooky today. Now I'm pretty sure they got the information on here. So I don't even know how to say it. Nokala founder. I don't know what that word is, but I'm pretty sure he left. He left the company. The company stock plummeted 20% on Monday, following news that the founder, Trevor Milton, was stepping down as the company executive chairman. With immediate effort, Mr. Milton's move could set off alarm bells for governance-driven investors, since the company hasn't yet been able to reduce the uncertainty, and thus the volatility in the stock price in the wake of allegations from Hindenburg's research that he and the company had misled investors. If the accusations are unfortunately found true, this could have a significant negative impact on the government's profile of the company, and that the General Motors, which recently bought a minority stake in Nokala. Oh wow! I was just about to say, what GM look like? Oh wow! They climbing back to above average. That was the deal. So they kind of coming back up. Okay, that's scary. Here's what Wall Street is saying. Nokala. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. I'm just gonna call the company N. I said L. And founder executive chairman stepped down from the company. Stock is lower than significantly because of the catastrophic by a negative report. This is crazy. So it jumped from $21 to $49. I believe I invested in this stock. Let's go to cash out. I was hearing a little YouTube news and reading all of that, but now I'm just so shocked. Nope, I didn't invest. Let's check Robinhood. I feel like I invested, but I'm not 100% sure. Do it show my history? Did I ever invest in this? Nope, I never invested. Oh wow. This was June. That was June 31st. So who's really making money in this stock? I guess this was the best time, September 4th through the 8th. Yeah, who's really making money? Whoever got in here made money. I guess when it IPO'd, that's the best chance of making some money, but other than that, it's been going down. Yeah, I'm sorry, a lot of people got finesse. If you was one of the ones that got finesse, I'm sorry. This is a stock that I've been championing for the longest. Well, it's not even gonna say champion, but I believe in this stock. If you want to know why, I did a video on it. But let's see what news they got going on that's dealing with this company. I don't think they got anything dealing with this company. Oh, they don't got no recent update news. Okay, let it do what it do. Let's look at the volatility. That was a lot of volume right there. That was a nice little swing trade from 10:20 to 11 o'clock. Sometimes when you just analyzing the stock, if you want to know more about day trading, sometimes just pick up on the patterns of a company. Just watch what they do. Like when this dropped down, I immediately bought some more shares. Cause this is why. So right now is $3. It's worth $3.96. The 50-day moving average is going to be $4.61. Then in the next 200 days, it's going to drop back down. But like I said, in the brown you want to buy, in the green you want to sell. So if you just take a look at this is the best time to get in this stock. So guess what I'm going to be doing tomorrow? I'm going to be putting some more money in here. Why? Because it's in brown. And brown you buy, green you sell. I want to look at the exponential moving averages. So it's going to jump up a little bit. And if you want to do the calculations, which I can do, let's go to stock charts. I mean, not stock charts. Let's go to shopping for stocks. We're just going to put it on this one. We got NOK. The stock price right now is $3.96, right? But the 200 moving, well, let's just do the highest one, which is 50. So let's just do the 50, and that's $4.48. Now we're just gonna do divided by, open parentheses, we're gonna do this number minus this number, close parentheses, divided by this number, which will be a 13.13% gain. Oh, excuse me. Which ain't bad, but it's still 13%. So that means off of every $100 or dollar, $13 off for every dollar. $13 off for every $100 made. That's crazy. That's still a good percent of whatever you invest. So say if I invest $100 in, which would be whatever, $100 divided by $3.96, that'll be 25.25 shares. If $100 goes in, which is still great, I just put 40 in today. I'm thinking out this process out loud because this is a great opportunity to take advantage of a stock that's cheap. And then you sell 25 of those shares in the next 50 days. That's profit. We got options. We definitely got some options here. Let's go to Webull. Because I believe I got some funds over here. I got $66.67. Now this stock, this penny stock it's not looking too good. I should have read that. The RSI is low right now, so it might be a good time to buy some more stocks. Well, I was gonna get into no key on this, but I might just buy some more stocks in Naked Brand and try to swing trade it just by looking at the RSI. Let's go back to Robinhood. NIVUO. We got different positions in here. We made some money today, $1.69. We'll take that. That means this stock has been going back up. Nokia is trying to creep back up. Aurora Cannabis. Let's look at that. Aurora Cannabis is still in the brown, which is good. So I think I might just, what could I do? I can try to swing trade that or buy some more Aurora Cannabis stock because it's still up under value right now. And we are focused on a long-term gain, and it's going to double. So we got a potential play with Aurora Cannabis. Catch it wise, $6.44. It's different ways to catch it. All you gotta do is just be patient. But Aurora Cannabis is down. We can pick up 10 stocks and Webull, or we can just put a little money there. We got options. We got options to play with. Yeah, I think even if once I get paid Wednesday, we'll come back decide what initially we want to do. Because we definitely got to pay ourselves first. Yeah, we got options to play with. I guess let's see what's going into the news. Let's see what the news been going on. Bank stock sold off on money laundering concerns. What you need to know. Bank investors just got off another gut punch. Already brutal sell-off, banks feared even worse following a series of reports detailing 2 trillion suspicious transactions carried out by some of the world's largest lenders between 1999 and 2017. The transactions were uncovered by a leak of 2,100 suspicious activity reports, or SARs, the lenders themselves filed with the U.S. Treasury Financial Crimes Enforcement Unit. BuzzFeed News reports on the transactions and the collaborations with the International Consortium of Investigation Journalism. Bank investors fled the sector as the reports gave investors one more reason not to own stocks and lenders. Investors has already been skittish about the likelihood that interest rate will remain lower for longer given the economy's uncertain prospects. Lower rates tend to cut into the margin banks earn on lending money. Banks remain a Peter with a punching bag. So basically, people is jipping the system, which is, it has to be done. Gotta jip the system. Dow Jones, I never really understood the points. How does the points work? The Dow Jones. And this is just headlines, I believe. I want to know, what does that look on the stock market? The Dow Jones drops 800 points. Oh, it's going to drop more than that. Drop, baby. Drop, baby. Yeah, let it drop some more. Catch it while it's low. And when it's low, you let it drop. And let it come back up, then you get in. I think I might put the Dow Jones. We might have to get into that. Do they pay dividends? Let's look at Dow Jones dividend return. DOW dividend. Dividend. They pay 55.56 dividend yield, $2.80 yearly. And what's VOO? That's what I want to know. Is that more? Cause this cheaper than what I was gonna do. Let's see. Oh, never mind. They pay way more. It look like they cut their dividends though. Yeah, we ain't rocking with that. Y'all can cut y'all dividends, but the Dow is still paying. That's what it look like. Yeah, they still paying $2.80 a year. Yeah. Instead of investing in both, let's see if Cash App offers that. Which they do. Is this the same company? This can't be the same company they talking about.
Sending indexes to their lowest level in nearly 7 weeks as fears about another hit to the U.S. economy drove investors to sell stocks. Analysts said the passing of U.S. Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg adds another challenge to negotiations in Congress already deadlocked over another fiscal stimulus package. Another concern for investors, the resurgence of the coronavirus, especially in Europe, as the UK signaled the possibility of a second national lockdown. Shares of U.S. airlines, hotels, and cruise companies tumbled. United Airlines, Delta, Wynn Resorts, and Marriott were among the biggest decliners on the S&P 500. Bank shares like JP Morgan Chase and Bank of New York Mellon also fell sharply. They were among several global banks that reportedly moved big sums of allegedly illicit funds over nearly 2 decades, despite red flags about the origins of the money. They were named in the report by the International Consortium of Investigative Journalists and based on leaked documents obtained by BuzzFeed News. And shares of Nikola opened nearly 30% lower. Its founder, Trevor Milton, stepped down as executive chairman amid allegations of nepotism and fraud from a short seller. That also knocked down shares of...
What's wrong with nepotism? The practice among those with the power influenced by favoring relatives or friends, especially by giving them jobs. What's wrong with nepotism? Y'all are weird. Y'all want people to be in y'all power so bad, huh? That's crazy. He did what he was supposed to do.
Which had just taken an 11% stake in the electric truck maker 2 weeks ago. Since peaking September 2nd, the S&P 500 has fallen nearly 10%.
That's crazy. He was just trying to put his people on. Y'all was influenced. Y'all got sold. Now all y'all have to do is wait for him to process. Let him plan everything out. Yeah, I don't like this. This is a crazy world we live in, where narratives versus what's the actual truth and what's the right thing to do. If they not getting none of this pie, they gonna cancel you out, and they gonna do some further research to make you seem like you scamming. This is a sad world we live in. Y'all have a great day. Chase Way will see y'all in another video.